Nagpapanik rin pala ang China Aakalain mo kasing malaaksyong pelikula ang pagpapalipad ng FA-15 ng Philippine Air Force at F-16 fighter jet ng US Air Force. Dito para intercept ang Chinese aircraft carrier na dumaan sa Luzon Strait. Muntikan na ring mag-warning shot ang F-16 fighter jet. Kaso ayun, nagpaliwanag naman agad sa radio challenge ang Chinese aircraft carrier. Right of innocent passage lang raw. Depensa at pagdadahilan niya ng People's Liberation Army Navy. Naniniwala naman ang US Air Force dito. Wala namang kasing bit-bit na fighter jet ang China sa kanilang dock ng higanting barko. Mga nakatago ito. Kalaunan lumayas rin to sa Luzon Strait at lumayo patungong South China.
Under UNCLOS, either through freedom of navigation or rights of innocent passage, rest assured the Philippine Navy and the armed forces will continue monitoring the vast expanse of our maritime domain. On the report of the Chinese aircraft carrier and the monster ship of the Coast Guard, the Philippine Navy monitors our maritime domain. We are aware of them.
Lahat ng napapadaan sa West Philippine Sea niraradyohan. Kaya sa nagsasabing walang ginagawa ang militar, makinig kayo. 24/7 raw na nakamonitor sa lahat ng naglalabas-pasok at winawarningan ito. Kakaiba lang talaga ang pagpasok ng aircraft carrier ng China, kaya nagpalipad rin ang US Air Force ng kanilang fighter jet.
Some of them reply, some of them do not, but I would like to emphasize these are not only Chinese PLA Navy ships that we challenge. All ships, to include commercial vessels that transit through our sea lanes of communications, our choke points, are regularly challenged.
Bukod sa pagpapalayas ng aircraft carrier ng China, unti-unti na ring nauubos ang lahat ng barko ng mga Chinese. Bakit kaya? Mapa-Chinese Coast Guard kasi at Chinese Maritime Militia nagsisialisan na ulit. Pero for sure babalik ang mga yan. Di pa rin naman malaman kung anong dahilan. Pero baka raw sa nagaganap na pag-uusap ng DFA at Chinese Foreign Ministry.
Want to speculate on the reduction? Suffice it to say, we have monitored a reduction on a week-to-week basis of our monitoring. For whatever reason, this will be subject to further assessment. Our sovereignty and sovereign rights belong solely to the Philippines, manifested by the actions of the government. We can do anything that we wish to within our exclusive economic zone. Whatever we do, that is the right of the government of the country. Okay. I'm not saying that we are building anything on Sabina Shoal.
Nanawagan naman ang Vatican City kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Peace not war. Alam naman nating madugo ang mangyayari pag nagkaroon ng gulo. Gawan raw ng paraan ni PBBM na hindi tayo humantong na doon.
It is quite clear we in such circumstances, such situations of conflict, whatever they are, first of all, that every effort must be made that any differences, conflicts are resolved peacefully, encourage parties in conflict to abide by international law and to pursue those that as a way of resolving difficulties and problems with the best interests of all involved.
US Air Force na ang umaksyon dahil sa pangambang umatake ang China. Bali-balita pa naman ngayon yung pagbabanta ni Senadora Amy Marcos. Tara, pag-usapan natin sa susunod na video.